Let me show you how to blur your video background using this simple step with CapCut. So you open your CapCut and click on new project. Once you open, you look for where you have the video you want to remove the background, and then click on the video. Let me use this video here. It's too long, it's about 2 minutes. Let me use a shorter video. Okay, let me use this one, and then click on add. So once it open, you click on the video you just added like this. Once you tap on it, the next thing you do, you go and look for duplicate, and then you duplicate the video. Now tap on the duplicated video and make it overlay. Go to overlay and click on overlay here. So the video you duplicated has become overlay. Then you click on back here, then tap on your main video, then go to the beginning of your main video and then look for video effects. Look for effects, sorry. So you look for effects. So this is effects. Then you click on video effects. Once you click on video effects, the next thing you are going to look for is lens. Click on lens and then click on blur. So once you click on blur, you see that the whole of your video will be blurred out. Mark it. So now that you've marked, the next thing you will do is to go to where you have your overlay video, click on it and then drag it to the beginning of your clip like this. Keep dragging it till it gets to the beginning of your clip. Click, hold and drag. Now you have your video here. Now to have the blurry background, tap on the overlay and then look for remove background. This is it. Then you click on auto remover and wait for it to do its work. So it's applying. You can see now our video background is now blur. Mark it and that's it. So that's how to simply blur. That's how to simply blur your video background. So if you find this helpful and you learn something from this video, please like this video, comment, and then share the video for other people to benefit. And don't forget to follow me for more video like this. So see you on the next one.